Falava. I'm Jane from the Coconut TV. I'm from the beautiful Fiji Islands. So hello, it's
Bula.
such a
Bula.
pleasure. Hola. Such a pleasure to be sitting here with you all. So my question is, you're having to merge, multiple Pacific islands to create the fantastical world of Motunui. How is that process? And in combining all of these islands, while also simultaneously honoring each distinct culture individually. We'll start with you, Dr. Grant.
Yeah, it's no easy task, and I think that was the strength of having the Oceanic Cultural Trust. So a council of us, if you will, as we do in the Pacific, that each with their own areas of expertise to come in and really discuss different elements and point out gaps or things that we might be missing, and that we are all okay with something before moving on. And then also making sure that we're grounded in the language, especially, and cultural values and the cultures of the folks in the film. For example, like with Dwayne Johnson and Catherine Aya, kind of grounding it in Samoa, and then respectfully weaving in other Pacific Island cultures as well. So wherever you're from in the Pacific, when you watch the film, you can see yourself and your culture represented there. So we hope we did the Pacific proud, and I think we're happy with what we put out.
I think you guys did amazing. Thank you so much. Opetaia.
Well, I think my work was easy, but as Dr. Grant has just said, it was no easy task on their part because, to include, all the elements, all the cultures that we have, the beautiful cultures that we have in the Pacific, is no easy task, but I think they've done pretty good.
Yes, thank you so much, Tiana.
Hi, for myself and my co-creator, Kayla Faʻamaligi. It was honestly really special to have representation movement-wise in this way for Motunui, because I felt like I myself was the first time I get to create. My genealogy comes from Samoa, from Tonga, and from Hawaii, but I've actually spent a lot of my life dedicated to studying Tahiti, Ori Tahiti, Tahitian music and dance. So for the first time, I was like, wow, this can work for me. Not that it has to be specifically those islands, but because I'm multi-Polynesian, I felt like I can really make sure, like Dr. Grant said, we're rooted and we're giving certain nods, but we're also very open to add to this. We're saying Tahiti Taura or in Hawaii Kaula, we can add to the strands because we're all connected and related. And then what better way and what an honor to create to the music of Opetaia Foaʻi.
Amazing, absolutely amazing. Yes, I grew up listening to Opetaia, especially with The Legend of Johnny Lingo. I was in primary school shaking to Te Waka. Like that's our childhood. Yes. Well, now I can't shake as well because I might break a bone. But Tiana, you are absolutely amazing. Anyways, thank you so much for having me. That's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for sitting down and having a little korero around the beautiful project that you guys have made representing our people. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you, Jen.
Vinaka.